Hello everyone, welcome back to NEERJA'S algorithm. Today I have taken the topic or I have choose the topic that is a straight line. Very important, 11th standard का most important और you can say कि मस्त वाला topic है. I am telling you today the basic concept also, so many questions also. Let's start with the video and stick to the video. Now this is the basic concept of straight line. First is the equation of line parallel to x-axis. If I am finding out the line parallel to x-axis, that the distance will be equal to y. Now similarly, equation of a line parallel to y-axis, the distance will be equal to x only. Slope of a line, slope ko we call as gradient also, is represented by m is equal to tan theta in an angular form. But when the 2 points are given, the slope will be y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Fourth one is if two lines are parallel, that means their slopes will be equal. If two lines are perpendicular, the product will be equal to -1. Equation of one point form, or we can say passing through one point, that is x1 y1, the equation will be y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Similarly, 2-point form or passing through 2 points, the equation is this. Make a note first. Now, if the line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then what would be the slope? The slope will be minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Second is equation of line with y-intercept. We as y-intercept, then the equation will be y is equal to mx plus c. Equation of line with x-axis with intercept a, the y is equal to mx minus a. Equation of line in an intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Intercept means where the line cut on the x-axis and on the y-axis respectively. Area of the triangle formed by this line is always half into AB. Area of the triangle formed by the line, this one, is half into c square by AB. Equation of line in normal form is x cos omega, alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, where p means the perpendicular distance and this alpha, or you can use any of the parameter, is the angle. Now to find out the perpendicular distance from any straight line that is given here is always ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root of a square plus b square. Make a note for that. Equation of line parallel to this line is ax plus by plus k is equal to 0. What you have seen, the coefficients not changed, only the constant changed. Similarly, equation of line perpendicular to this line is bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. What I did it, that concept ki interchange the coefficient of x and y with the negative sign, constant to definitely will change. This will be the perpendicular equation. Now, if the two lines are perpendicular to each other, that means a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. Make a note for that. First question is find the equation of the line parallel to x-axis and passing through 2 and -3. Now this is a one step answer. Line parallel to x-axis, that means the equation will be equal to y, and y is equal to -3, that means y plus 3 is equal to 0. You need to read question very carefully. Similarly, find the equation of the line perpendicular to y-axis. Now, it's a perpendicular. When it says perpendicular, the distance will be equal to the same axis. That means y is equal to 6 and y minus 6 is equal to 0. Understood? Now coming to the third question. The line meets x-axis at P. Again, x-axis at P. That means y will be 0. I am putting it here 0. It become x by a is equal to 1. This implies that x is equal to a. I got it. Find the equation of the line perpendicular to this line. Perpendicular to this line will be, if I am taking this, I told you we need to interchange their coefficients with the negative sign. That become x by b plus y by a plus k is equal to 0. Now, I will replace this by x की place पे I am putting a by b, but y, it meets at x-axis, that means y becomes 0 is equal to minus k, or you can say that k is equal to minus of a by b. I am putting the value in this equation, that become x by b plus y by a minus a by b is equal to 0. We got our answer. Question number 4 is, it's very important. If minus 4, 5 is the vertex of square and one of its diagonal is this, find the equation of the other diagonal. First of all, we should know about the properties of the square, that the diagonals are perpendiculars. Diagonals are perpendicular first, and the other one is that ki bisect each other. But we don't need that bisecting wala thing. We should know the thing of AC and BD are perpendicular. Now, our equation is 7x minus y plus 8 is equal to 0. What would be the perpendicular equation? The coefficients of x and y interchange. So it become x plus 7y plus k is equal to 0. But that equation passes through minus 4 and 5. That means in place of x, I am putting minus 4. In place of y, I am putting 5 plus k is equal to 0. 7 5s are 35. K is equal to minus of 31. The equation of the other diagonal become x plus 7y minus 31 is equal to 0. Done our answer. If the linear equation of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and lx plus my plus n represents the same line. Now they mentioned it the same line. Write the value of r in terms of m and b, where the given condition was r is equal to L by A is equal to N by C. First of all, if it represents the same line, that means they are coinciding lines. For the coinciding lines, what is your form? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Now compare the values. It become L by A is equal to M by B is equal to N by C. But L by A and N by C is equal to R. That means R is also equals to M by B. Hence proved. If the product of intercept made by the straight line x tan alpha plus y sec alpha is equal to 1 on coordinate axis is equal to sine alpha, then what is alpha? Now let's do with that. I have given x tan alpha plus y sec alpha is equal to 1. I will make it in a form of the intercept form, that become like this is equal to 1. If I am comparing with this equation, I am getting my intercepts are cot alpha and cos alpha, and in the question it was given that the product of the intercept is equal to sine alpha. Now cot alpha ko I can write as cos alpha into sine alpha into cos alpha is equal to sine alpha. What it become? It become cos square alpha is equal to sine square alpha. That came into a tan square alpha is equal to 1 and tan alpha is equal to 1. When tan is 1, alpha become a 45 degree. We got our answer. This is the end of the today's video. I conceptualize all the things in your straight line. If you will see this video, you will understand the concept, basic concept of straight line. I hope you will like it. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.